Hey y'all, it's your girl Java back with another cooking video. So let's get into this delicious breakfast sandwich I'm going to show to you. I'm going to show two of the many ways that I make this sandwich, and you can modify this to your preference. You can make it as healthy as you like or as fatty as you like. It's all up to you. I'm not judging. These are convenient and easy to make. They're family friendly because who doesn't love a good breakfast sandwich? So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I am starting off cooking the bacon, and you can use whatever meat of your choice, whichever bacon of your choice, or sausage, or whatever of your choice. Now moving on, while that's cooking, I am scrambling up some eggs, and then I'm going to add pepper and salt. Keep in mind when it comes to the eggs, you want them kind of light and fluffy. You don't want them overcooked, over hard. So now you'll see me add some black pepper, and I'll also be adding white salt. You can use whichever black pepper, whichever salt of your choice. It doesn't have to be this salt in particular. You can use whichever salt. Now I'm gonna add some parsley flakes on top of the scrambled eggs. This is actually optional and you don't have to do this step. Okay, moving on to the bread of the sandwich, I'm going to use some English muffins, and I am just toasting them on the stove top in a pan with some butter. So I'm toasting both sides. You can use whichever flavor of English muffins that you like. And in this video, I'm using the raisin flavored English muffins. Okay, so now I'm going back to the bacon. I'm going to take it out of the pan because it's done. I'm going to take the excess grease off and lay it to the side and move on to the next step. Like this video if you love bacon, or comment down below and share which breakfast meat you prefer for your breakfast meal. Y'all, this bacon smells so good, but to keep it a buck, we honestly don't really eat pork bacon in this household, but this is just something that I happen to have, just happen to buy. So let's go ahead and plate up the food. So I have the English muffins down first, then I added the scrambled eggs, then the bacon strips. Now I have some avocado that I'm going to cut up, slice up, and put on top of the bacon strips. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some everything but the bagel sesame seasoned blend. It's so good. It has sea salt, garlic, and onion. And a little side note, I actually put this on a few other different types of meals, and it kind of makes a little difference. I love how it tastes. It's just so good. I love this flavor, especially for sandwiches, noodles, breads, just whatever it tastes good on, whatever I think it'll taste good on, I'll try to put it on there. Next, I'm going to add some crushed red peppers. This is optional. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, or if you don't like spicy, or if you don't want a little hint of spiciness. I do, and this is what I'm doing. Now the next step is optional. You don't have to add lemon if you don't want to. I added some squeezes of lemon to my sandwich. Lastly, for this sandwich, I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. This is also optional as well. You can use this cheese or any other type of cheese that you like or have, or you can leave the cheese out and you can still enjoy it. So that's it, you guys. This is the sandwich. It looks so good. Like, I had to just do a zoom in and a close up for you guys to see how good this sandwich looks, and it still has some brightness, some color to it. This is not a dull sandwich at all. Okay, for sandwich number 2, I am doing the same steps from beginning to end, except I am leaving out the crushed red peppers. I'm also leaving out the Parmesan cheese, but I am adding square sliced cheese. So for the cheese, for the square cheese, you can use any square cheese that you like. In fact, you can use any cheese that you like. Like I said, you can modify this sandwich any way you like and change it up, add more or less of whatever you are putting on it, in it, whatever. And yeah, enjoy your sandwich, enjoy your meal. Alright y'all, so that's it for my video. I pretty much covered the steps of what I do to make the sandwich. You can follow it in the description box or just rewind the video, whatever. So thank you for watching, and feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you already aren't subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with all of my upcoming videos. That's pretty much it, you guys. Bye. Take care.